Facebook website login, facebook.com login on PC or laptop. If you want to log into your Facebook account on your PC or laptop, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then simply open up your browser, then just navigate to facebook.com. Once you go to facebook.com, this is the kind of interface that you will see. On the right hand side, you will see a little box. Now, first of all, if you have not yet created an account, you could go to this option called create new account and begin creating your account if you want to. But since you already have an account, I suppose, and you're just trying to log in, it's very simple. Now, depending upon whether you registered with email or phone number, just make sure to enter the email or phone number right here. So once you have entered either your email or phone number, next step is you have to choose your password and enter them. So once you enter your password, if you're not sure what password you typed in, you can just hit the eye icon right here to view the password that you typed in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can go to this option that says forgotten password and then reset it if you want to. But if your credentials are correct, then you can just hit the login button and you'll be successfully logged into your Facebook account and greeted on the home page. This way you'll be able to log into Facebook on website. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.